I'm so UG, Ugandan. I'm so UG, so Ugandan. I'm so UG, Ugandan. I'm so UG, so Ugandan.
Nilotic Gate. A lot of people are wondering, where is Nilotic Gate? Well, the answer is here is Nilotic Gate. Okay, Nilotic Gates have closed Nilotic Gate because of majorly two reasons. The first reason is the interconnection between the Nilotic people. It is a little bit disturbed by certain behavior. For example, Karamojong killing the Acholi and looting cattle, killing the Iteso, the conflict between Karamojong and Tukana, or the J, also killing the lamb, and several other things. So now it is not nice for us to call ourselves together, but maybe in future somebody will take up that part of Nilotic. Now, the second major reason is there have been several attempts to register Nilotic Gate by some people who are very rich, for which I cannot compete with them in court. Before I came up with that idea of Nilotic Gate, nobody had already thought it, and that word was never even existing. That two combination called Nilotic Gate was not existing. But imagine big companies, African world-class companies, trying to register Nilotic Gate. They forced me to bid of the brand. And now, all the contents which were in Nilotic Gate still are under Luo folklore. The same ideas are still under Luo folklore. Despite the noticeable changes will be, the area of coverage will be narrowed only to the Luo area. Secondly, programs like Nilotic Hall of Fame will now become the Luo Hall of Fame. Nilotic comedy is now Luo comedy. So all those things which are Nilotic, nice, now is Luo. So if you were wondering where is Nilotic Gate, you already know. Subscribe to the new Nilotic Gate, which is the Luo folklore. And welcome Luo folklore, welcome to Nilotic Gate. It's my last time to talk about Nilotic Gates. Yes, Nilotic Gate is already gone. Welcome to Luo folklore. Thank you. See you in the next video.